Hi, I'm Sarah Dan. I'm an orthodontist straightening out the confusion and concern around orthodontic treatment by sharing some of the knowledge and expertise I've captured in my book, So Smile. People often ask me, how do I choose an orthodontist? And it's a great question because it's gotten more harder as time goes by. In the past, we used to get referred by our dentist to an orthodontist who would then carry out the treatment. But today, there's so much more direct consumer marketing so that the choices become so difficult. People can get orthodontics from their general practitioner, which is their dentist. They can get orthodontics from an orthodontist, and you can even get orthodontics over the internet. So how does anyone know who to choose? Because it's so confusing for patients, I've come up with a checklist on how to choose an orthodontist. Using this checklist, patients can choose a treatment provider that works for them and that they can work with in the long term. So what do you look for in an orthodontist? Firstly, I encourage you to look for their qualifications. Are they actually an orthodontist? That means, have they studied dentistry for 5 years? Have they done full-time orthodontic studies after that in a postgraduate degree at a university? Are they a member of the major orthodontic association of your country? So in Australia, that's the Australian Association of Orthodontists, because if they are, they have to uphold certain practicing standards. Secondly, I would look at what kind of technology do they use in their practice. Do they use 3D imaging? Do they use 3D treatment planning with scanners for each of their cases? What kind of braces do they use? Are they up to date with their materials and treatments? What kind of treatments do they offer? Do they offer braces? Do they offer Invisalign? Do they offer various other growth modification treatments? Then you might look at what's the experience like when you go to the practice. How do they communicate with you? How does the orthodontist communicate with the staff? What kind of facilities do they have? You might also want to look at logistics in terms of what are their opening hours like? How do you get there? Is there parking? Can your child go there by themselves? Are there appointments before and after school? You might also want to look at their community involvement. Are they involved in the local community? Do they support the local community? Do they do Give a Smile? Things like that, which I think are really important. So if you're looking to get orthodontic treatment for your child, I really encourage you to do your research before you start, finding the right orthodontist for you. You can use my checklist by going to my website. There's a download there for you, and that can help you, and it can make all the difference in getting the best out of treatment for you. If you'd like more information, go to my website, drsarahdan.com.au. You'll find lots of great resources to help you navigate the orthodontic journey.